Today, we will understand human excretory system. It consists of two bean-shaped kidneys, two tube-like structure called ureters coming out of each kidney, which comes down and connected to a muscular bag-like structure called urinary bladder and urethra. Blood to be purified enters from renal artery in the kidney. Kidney purifies the blood and urine is formed which comes through the ureter and collected in urinary bladder. Whenever we urge to urinate due to pressure of urine in urinary bladder, we pass it out through urethra. Urine contains water, nitrogenous wastes like urea, uric acid, creatinine, etc. and other wastes also. Excretory system is also called as urinary system. Now we'll understand the structure of nephron. But what is a nephron? Nephron is the structural and functional unit of kidney. The way structural and functional unit of life is cell, structure and functional unit of a wall is a brick. Similarly, structure and functional unit of kidneys is nephron. There are around 1 million nephrons in one kidney. Each nephron purifies blood, that is, removes waste and harmful material from the blood and thereby produce urine which enters the tubular structure called collecting duct. All the collecting duct drains the urine in pelvis area of kidney from where it comes to ureter from the kidney and further goes to urinary bladder. Now let us understand the structure of nephron and how does it work. A nephron consists of a renal corpuscle and a renal tubule. Renal corpuscle includes glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. Bowman's capsule is the cup-like structured tubular end of nephron as shown here. Afferent arteriole is the artery with wider diameter bringing blood, to be purified, to the nephron which gets divided into cluster of fine capillaries and then these capillaries reunite to form efferent arteriole but with narrow diameter. Cluster of capillaries is called as glomerulus and it is enclosed in Bowman's capsule. When a wider an arteriole with wider diameter is suddenly divided into many fine capillaries, due to decrease in diameter, pressure is built up inside these capillaries and wastes are filtered through the walls of these capillaries and filtered waste that is filtrate come to the lumen of Bowman's capsule. This process is called as ultrafiltration. After ultrafiltration, wastes flow to renal tubule. These wastes still have some useful materials like glucose, salts, water, etc. These materials are selectively reabsorbed back into the blood while wastes travel in renal tubule after ultrafiltration. The amount of water reabsorbed depends on how much excess water there is in the body, and on how much of dissolved waste there is to be excreted. Tubular part of nephron is surrounded by network of arteries where selectively reabsorbed useful material is taken back into the blood through the walls of renal tubule with the help of processes like diffusion and active transport. The renal tubule is connected to collecting duct where other nephrons are also connected. Urine formed after the process of selective reabsorption in renal tubule flows into the collecting duct which further flows into the pelvis area of kidney and from there it flows to ureter. From ureter it goes to urinary bladder. This is how a nephron works, like a filtering unit of a kidney. Now let us have a look at the flowchart to understand and remember the working of a nephron in simple way. Step 1, entry of blood through afferent arteriole. Step 2, building up of blood pressure in glomerulus. Step 3, ultrafiltration through the walls of glomerular capillaries. Step 4, ultrafiltrate proceeds into renal tubule. Step 5, selective reabsorption of useful materials back into blood while waste moves through renal tubule. Step 6, flow of urine into the collecting duct. Hope you liked the video. Please like the video, share the video with your friends as much as possible. Comment for more of such video.